Sometimes moving to a position for a bigger target is faster than aiming at a smaller one. In this video, get stepping for faster starts.
We can go higher than we've ever been before. We can stand tall with our backs against the wall.
Welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul G., Chief Safety Officer for the IDPA. If you're looking to better understand the IDPA rules, sharpen your shooting skills, and staying up to date with the latest gear and what's happening in the shooting community, you're in the right place. If you're new here, join the shooting community. It's currently free and provides early access to new content. Now let's get stepping.
Because static targets are easier to hit, majority of my starts will be fully focused on drawing and not moving. However, challenging targets that take time to aim at may be engaged faster by moving to a position that offers a larger target. The most common foot movements are automatic and controlled by motor patterns and proprioception. By initiating a step prior to drawing a gun, both actions may be achieved without pause or mistakes.
So remember, starts are designed to make a shooter pause. By taking an extra second to search for a better option, can make a challenging start a faster one. I hope this helps. Please consider being a part of our shooting community, building relationships around safe gun practice and IDPA competition. My name is Paul G. Please be safe, and we shall see you on the range.
Like, share, subscribe.